Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Python Plugin Store, I'm going to show you another new feature in Eclipse 11 that allows you to easily find new plugins and update existing plugins. You'll need to have the release version of Eclipse 11 in order to access the Python Plugin Store. Once you have Eclipse 11 open, go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and next hit Update All. Press OK, and agree to restart Eclipse. Reopen Eclipse, and if I go to Support, Plugins, there's now a Plugin Store option. If I open the Plugin Store, there are different plugins that I can choose from. And after I select a plugin that I'd like to use, I'll press Download. It informs me that the plugin successfully downloaded. I'll press OK. And now I can go back to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins, and my new plugin is in my list of available plugins. So now I can enable this new plugin, press OK, and I'll restart Eclipse once more. And according to this plugin, it will add a command under Edit, Extra, Invent Brief. And so I'm going to go to Edit, Extras, and I have Invent Brief. And now I can use this plugin. And so if you want to see what plugins have been made available to the community, simply go to Support, Plugins. First, you'll need to go to Manage Plugins and make sure that you've updated your plugins. Once you've done the first update, then you can go to Support, Plugins, and Plugin Store to select any other plugins that you'd like to add to your system. As new plugins are requested and created, if they're useful for the community, they'll be added to the store and you can download them. Each plugin in the store will have a description listed that'll tell you basic information about how to use it. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.